Hey everyone, in this video we will review the Bloomberg Terminal. The Bloomberg Terminal is a highly advanced financial platform used by industry professionals worldwide. It provides real-time market data, breaking news, and powerful analytics tools for various asset classes. Users have access to in-depth financial information on companies, commodities, currencies, and more. Its messaging system, Bloomberg Chat, is widely used for secure communication between financial professionals. It is highly customizable, allowing users to tailor their dashboards to specific needs. Despite its benefits, the Bloomberg Terminal has a steep learning curve, especially for new users. Its user interface can feel outdated compared to newer, more modern platforms. The subscription cost is very high, making it ideal mainly for large institutions or serious investors. Users consistently praise its data accuracy, speed, and depth of information. Overall, the Bloomberg Terminal remains a gold standard tool in the global finance industry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.